Hello, this is Jeannie Yu with VectorCAST, and I'm here to talk about ProPoints. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the new import-export feature of ProPoints. In my environment, I have some simple math functions under test. Some of them have ProPoints from my previous demos. I can share my source code with anyone, but none of the ProPoints come with the code. A new feature in VectorCAST allows you to export the ProPoints into a file, send that file to a colleague, and have them import the ProPoints into their test environment. It also provides an easy way to back up versions of ProPoints. By clicking on the ProPoint icon's down arrow right here, you can see a drop-down menu appears with the option Import and Export. First, I'm going to export my current ProPoints. I'm going to name it Demo ProPoints. Save it. To demonstrate the import portion, I'm going to delete all the ProPoints I have currently. So if you click on ProPoints again, you can see I have no ProPoints left. So importing, and this is the file I just saved with ProPoints. So importing the ProPoints I just saved, all my previous ProPoints will show up again. In the ProPoint import log, you can see the incoming ProPoint ID added to the unit under test. Now I have my 3 ProPoints back. I hope this demo helped you visualize how to utilize the import-export functions to save and share ProPoints to improve collaboration and productivity. Thank you for watching, and I will have more demos coming soon.